छत्रपती शिक्षण मंडळ कल्याण. स्टँडर्ड फॉर एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडीज. वॉटर सेफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. वॉटर सेफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. The substance that dissolves in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty. When sugar dissolves, the water tastes sweet. Solution. When a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. Substances dissolve in water: salt, sugar, honey, alum, washing soda. Substances do not dissolve in water: turmeric, sand, sawdust, oil. Saline. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is, on a solution of salt in water. Seawater is salty to taste because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. Water of different wells may have different tastes. Why is that so? Some substances from the ground dissolve in water. They give the taste to well water. If there is nothing dissolved in water, water has no taste. Floats on water: hair rubber, plastic scale, pencil. Substances sink in water: coin, screw, stone, eraser, sharpener, spoon, compass. The things that float are lighter than water. The things that sink are heavier than water. Settling. The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. Swirling. Swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Filtration. If we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. Water boiling. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. Potable water. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, smell, or color. If water has a color or smell, one must avoid drinking it. It can make us ill. So, water must be boiled to destroy any microorganisms in it. Thank you.